In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page or slide numbers in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation at work or simply organizing your slides for a school project, adding slide numbers is a great way to keep your presentation streamlined and professional. First things first, to begin adding slide numbers, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation to which you want to add slide numbers. If you haven't already prepared your slides, take a moment to ensure everything is in order before proceeding. Next, once you're into your PowerPoint presentation, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the PowerPoint window. Here you'll find several tabs, but the one we're interested in is the Insert tab. So go ahead and click on Insert. This tab is crucial because it houses a variety of tools that allow you to add different elements to your slides, such as images, text, and the all-important slide numbers. Now, after clicking on the Insert tab, focus on the text section, which you'll find on the middle right area of the toolbar. This section is instrumental for introducing text-based elements into your slides, including our desired slide numbers. In the text section, there's a small button labeled Slide Number, so take a moment to locate and then click on this button. After clicking the slide number button, a new window will pop up. In this new window, you'll see various options for headers and footers you can add to your slides. Your task here is to check the box next to slide number. By doing so, you're instructing PowerPoint to place numbers on each slide, allowing your audience to easily track the progression of your presentation. Now, the final step to make sure these slide numbers are applied throughout your presentation, look for the Apply to All button, which is usually located in the lower right corner of this pop-up window. Clicking Apply to All ensures that the slide numbers appear consistently across all your slides, keeping everything beautifully uniform and professional, and that's it. With those simple steps, you've added slide numbers to your PowerPoint presentation. This straightforward process not only enhances the overall organization of your slides, but also provides a seamless reference point for both you and your audience. Remember, if at any point you decide to remove or change the slide numbers, you can revisit these steps to adjust as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps to level up your next PowerPoint presentation.